How to change your age on Epic Games. Now, the most convenient way of doing this is by using or by visiting their epicgames.com's official site. You can still use the software, but if you go ahead to settings and then account, these certain um, tab right here will just pop out. So just go directly to their site. Now, open up or access your preferred web browser and go to epicgames.com. Once you're here, you just have to make sure that you're fully logged into your account, in which the account that you will be changing the age. Now to change this, just simply click on your IGN or your username and then go to account. Now you'll be redirected to another page, and then in here you see a bunch of options. Then what you want to need to do to change the age is by the parental controls. Now for you to access it, you just have to enter your PIN, and if you haven't, if this is the first time that you have gotten to this specific setting right here, then Epic Games will ask you to set up or to create a PIN. So let's just go ahead and input our PIN and hit on confirm, and then for you to change the age, that's gonna be for the content rated here. So to change this, you just have to click and drag on whatever age that you'd like it to be changed. And that's it. That's how easy and quick you can change your age on Epic Games.